In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repost videos and photos on Instagram on Android. Now, first of all, go ahead and download this app right there, Quick Save for Instagram, Downloader and Repost. So make sure you go ahead and download this. Then after that, you want to go to Instagram. So let me just go to Instagram right now. And then you actually want to copy the link from the video or picture that you want to download. So right now, I'm just going to choose a random video. Let me just go with this one. No, that's actually copyright. So let me just find a random video. Okay, so we'll go with this one. Then copy the link. Then go to Quick Save. So open the app, and then right there, you can actually go ahead and click on download. So I just downloaded this, but you can also click on the retweet icon. And while doing that, they will actually copy the exact post. So you can actually copy the text, the caption as well. So if I just click on next, you will see that you can then paste this. And then as you can see right there, you can get rid of that. Then you can simply get rid of quick save and the hashtag Insta Save app. And then you can actually go ahead and pretty much share this and repost this video. So that's exactly how you can actually repost a video or photo on Instagram on Android. If this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Have a nice day and good luck reposting videos or photos.